Welcome students. Under the initiative of Directorate of Higher Education, Government of Goa, Digital Integrated System for Holistic Teaching and Virtual Orientation for Developing E-Content, I am dealing with the first unit and the present module is market failure. The outline of the module includes the meaning and concept of market failure, the externalities and outcomes of market failure, and why we study market failure in public finances. After the completion of this module, we want the students to know about the outcomes in the form of listing the reasons for market failure. Wherever the governments are functioning, wherever they are undertaking fiscal operations, the student should be able to bring out the reasons. At the same time, the effects of market failure on that particular national, state or local economy and interpreting them so that they will be able to find the solutions in the future endeavor. Market failure is related to the provision of public goods as well as the merit goods here. Naturally, as we have seen in market mechanism functions, takes decisions in the sense that with the help of demand and supply forces, the resources are created and allocated. And in case of market failure, why we call and recall the functioning with reference to the provision of goods as market failure, because here prices are high. Similar prices are charged for the people belonging to low incomes, and there are people who have very low, zero, negative income, and prices are greater than marginal cost and inefficiency. And therefore, we find that in market failure, we want to come across work on all these aspects of the goods which are required for the satisfaction of various types of wants, as earlier we have seen. In private markets, private goods are made available. However, there are certain goods which are available in the private market, but private market mechanism fails to take proper decisions, and the outcomes are that we find allocation of resources in an efficient way does not happen. This leads to inefficiency in decision making and again inefficiency in allocation of resources, meeting the demand, and the results are that many consumers are not made available with the goods. Why it happens? That the knowledge of the market is imperfect. Who are the consumers? What are their incomes? What are their preferences? What are the resources available? What is the output produced? And so on. And therefore, we find that it is possible that without having proper information of the market, the decisions are taken and market fails to provide to meet the demand. And when demand is not met, the consumption is not possible. Deficiency in consumption. Deficiency in consumption leads to low socio-economic welfare, lower human development, problems of poverty, unemployment, inequalities, regional imbalances. Why market information is not perfect? Because purchasing power of the citizens is not known, not studied, not taken care of. At the same time, we also find there are other costs suffered by the society as a whole. The decision making, allocation of with reference to allocation of resources, prices, output is one aspect. Information regarding the market, purchasing power of the people is another aspect, and at the macro level we find that the benefits created due to consumption and production of these resources is not properly distributed. The recipients and cost sufferers are different people, and at the same time there are also external costs suffered by the society as a whole. Due to all these aspects, we find that the market fails to provide several of the goods which are critical, crucial to the society as a whole, which makes the citizen, which makes the state. The identity of the state exists not only because of the polity, because of the political system, not only because of the geographical identity, the flora and fauna, but also very important is the society, the population, the demographic aspects, for whom the benefits are created, because of whom the state comes into power, existence. And therefore, we find the evolution of state from police state to welfare state to service state to facilitator state since the classical days has emerged. Why we find the market failure in the modern times? What are the issues related to market failure? We find that there is undue expansion of all governments from 1950 to 2020 because of this race of economic development initially, later on human development, and in the post 1991 the sustainable development, we are at least concentrating on the better outcomes. Pollution, traffic congestion, environmental degradation, depletion of ozone layer, misuse of alcohol, tobacco, antisocial behavior, drug abuse, poor housing, organ trafficking, all these are the issues. Certain positive, certain antisocial, negative are to be dealt with, and therefore, we find that market failure, requirement of the interference of the state becomes crucial, and the best example is COVID-19 and the health hazards, the dealings in examination and continuation of educational services, the day to day and long term life of all. So, we find that everywhere the government is interfering, requires interfering nature, and only aspect is to ensure that the interference is positively used and outcomes are positive. As we have listed the references, we can also use the journals for all the issues related to public finance and the published data and ongoing current issues of the fiscal operations, and we also have to look into the matter whether the government functions or otherwise. That is the beauty of the subject public finance. Thank you.